This was actually, we built ESPN Zone in their basement.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one, you actually did the video on this one where we put a 40-foot steel beam, and we had it was 4,000 pounds, so we had to lift it up and take all the load-bearing walls out. But this had, they didn't want a kitchen, they just wanted an area where they can put all their buffets out, and on game day, it's a buffet on the back, and people come up and gather around because it's a U-shape the opposite way. And then this is one section of the basement where there's a big screen TV over a fireplace, and then it leads to the backyard. Glass tile in the back, some creative pendant lighting. There's a mini fridge behind there, but just another spot. This has actually hardwood floors, full hardwood in here. But yeah, the 9-foot ceilings, you could tell it's a little taller by the transom window.
And I love these windows. Like it's one of your things to bring in as much light downstairs to one of these as possible, right?
Natural light is a key, so you don't feel like you're in the basement. Like I said, it's a terrace level, and this one had a deck above it, but still look at the light coming in, and just great entertaining, great space, fun.
And all of these are going to even make it more energy efficient, right? Because all of those windows are the latest.
Yeah, low E glass, absolutely. We, on this one, they had the single pane, so we put the low E glass in, low E in the doors, which is standard today.
Yeah.
I mean, back 10 years ago, it was an upgrade, but, with efficiency is very, very common in newer products today.
Yeah. Now, I love this wall. You can't see it that well, like where you see the lighting back behind the large island. That wall, tell me a little bit about it. It was mosaic, right? Wasn't it?
Yeah, it was a glass tile, and they worked closely with the designer on this project, and they just, they didn't want your typical backsplash that's stopped with some cabinets above. You got only 20 inches of backsplash, so they said, we don't need cabinets above. This is a buffet area, so let's make a statement. It's almost like an art piece.
It made you feel like you were out at some, really nice hotel resort.
Yes.
That was the look and feel of that. I just loved it.